All right, we're in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, and I want to show you a new construction home. It's a little windy outside, as you can hear. This is the great room. Check out the tile. Tile looks really nice. Nice open kitchen. That's what's selling homes right now. And I like how it does not have a dining room. It has a little sit-in eating area here. And I'll show you some pictures of the outside. Right now they're painting the porches, so I can't show you. But basically right here, this window is where the porch is. And then there's a porch out this way. So it kind of brings back that Leave It to Beaver look. Garage is through that door. The garages are in the back. We're going to go back here to the bedrooms. One of the smaller rooms. You can get a queen size bed in there. This room's about the same size. And we have carpet going to tile in the bath, and then vanity, full shower. The laundry's right here. Now I like how they did the tile. They kind of offset it. Big master. And then we have the master going to the master bath. And then we have double vanity. Nice job on the shower. Tile all the way. The tile in here on the offset. And then we have water closet. And then a big walk-in closet. And we will finish in the actual kitchen now. Perfect home, brand new, ready to move into. You're going to look at under $225 for this product. Venetian Bay.